So now let us personalize our computer. What do we mean by personalization? Personalizing is applying the changes or making the computer look as per your choices and as per your likes. So how do we personalize? We will right click on the desktop and select the last option in the menu called Personalize. The Personalize window will open, from where you can change background of the desktop, that is the desktop wallpaper, colors that you see on the taskbar. Then what do you want on your lock screen? That means when you lock your computer or when you put it on sleep, at that time when you log back into your computer, what picture do you want there? Then different themes and different start options. So let us start with background. You can keep either a picture as a desktop wallpaper, a solid color, or slideshow of 2 to 3 pictures. If you want a single picture, you can browse that picture from the File Explorer window. Let's say I want this particular image as my desktop. So I will click on Choose Picture and it will be applied. You can see here when I minimize it. If you want to change again, here you can see that it is open. Let us click on it again and you can change it, or you can change or choose the way it has been applied. Whether you want it stretched out, in a fit format, filled, in tile, in center or span. So you can choose different layouts and it will be applied accordingly. So you can keep desktop wallpaper of your choice. You can either keep your photo, your family or friends' photo, your favorite subject or your hobby or anything. You can keep any particular image as the desktop wallpaper. And if you want to change it anytime, you'll simply right click on the desktop and select the personalize option. Now let us see colors. We can choose a different color. So let's say I choose this. You'll see that the moment I'm changing the color, that is being affected here. So it changes my overall color with immediate action. Then there are buttons here. If you want to make Start, Taskbar and other transparent, and whether you want to show these color on the taskbar. So you can choose that. Then let us go to lock screen. Here on the lock screen also you can keep some image, either your own picture or picture from your computer, a slideshow of the picture, that means by selecting 2 to 3 or more than 2 images, or something like Windows Spotlight, which would automatically change the picture on certain time interval. Then on your lock screen you can add on any of these apps for quick status. Then let us go to Start. On Start, you can decide whether you want more tiles or not, whether you want to show some suggestion in Start or not. Suggestions like which app you should install, what application you should try. Then whether you want most used apps to appear or not. As we had seen on the Start, we have most used and suggested here. So whether we want these two to be appearing or not. Then do we want to show recently added apps into the list? Do we want a full screen start or a normal start? So if I select this, then you will notice that my this menu will now go into entire screen. So this is how you can personalize your computer system, and that too very easily.